It is said that the vehicle a person drives is a reflection of their personality. And there's no vehicle to better demonstrate this than a Subaru. It's versatile, responsible, and progressive, and built to last. And genuine Subaru accessories are built to personalize the driving experience for any adventure, big or small. But genuine Subaru accessories provide much more than style and personalization. They provide a level of safety and durability that typical aftermarket accessories can't match. They're designed by a team of Subaru accessories engineers and manufactured to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the Subaru vehicle to help ensure quality, reliability, and value for the road ahead. Extensive testing procedures help ensure that all government standards are met, in addition to Subaru engineering specification and performance targets. From environmental and strength testing to vibration and chemical resistance assessment, all Subaru accessories undergo certified lab trials and computer simulations and are also performed in real-world environments. When it comes to accessories, one size does not fit all. Genuine Subaru accessories are precision engineered using original computer-aided design data for each Subaru model. Genuine Subaru accessories are specifically made for the vehicle they're sold for, which means they fit better, perform better, and last longer than aftermarket editions.
Whether accessories that help to add protection and security, audio upgrades, convenience electronics, or lifestyle accessories by Thule, accessory planning and testing can start 3.5 years before a new Subaru model is introduced. Plus, they're designed in conjunction with the vehicle for precise form, fit, and function.
Genuine Subaru electronic accessories are designed according to the vehicle's original specifications and are fully integrated into Subaru vehicle systems. Wiring and body integrated unit software are pre-arranged during the manufacture of the Subaru vehicle to allow for faster installation and seamless integration of electronic accessories.
Plug-and-play, pre-wired connections help ensure higher performance and robust functionality. Every genuine Subaru audio upgrade accessory is acoustically measured and custom-tuned to provide optimum sound quality.
To help ensure seamless operation and uninterrupted functionality, genuine Subaru accessories are directly incorporated into the vehicle's electrical infrastructure. In addition to environmental testing, electrical and electromagnetic testing is performed to address a variety of concerns, such as short circuit prevention, overcurrent safety, and battery current management. Subaru accessory technology is developed and tested with the vehicle's complex, integrated electrical system in mind, eliminating the possibility of electrical interference to vehicle systems.
For a precise fit and improved durability or compatibility, Subaru engineers are in close collaboration with Thule during the design and development of genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories.
We work hand in hand with the Thule Group and perform a series of tests to help ensure all racks and carriers comply with Subaru unique requirements.
Subaru's commitment to safety is what sets the genuine Subaru trailer hitch apart from aftermarket hitches. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch is designed to attach to the vehicle structure in such a way that it becomes an integrated component, not only for towing, but also from a safety perspective.
It is developed in conjunction with the vehicle and undergoes rigorous testing, as its installation method is an important area to consider when purchasing this type of accessory.
Our trailer hitch is validated to provide optimal clearance, the required strength, and superior safety. They are crash tested with the vehicle as a complete system to verify they do not negatively impact any safety features of the vehicle and to help ensure the vehicle's IIHS rating is maintained. Genuine Subaru protection accessories, including all-weather floor liners, are precision engineered using vehicle CAD data for every trim level of every Subaru model. Unlike typical aftermarket floor liners, genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners are extensively evaluated and undergo a series of functional tests to help ensure a precise fit and to keep genuine Subaru accessories on the leading edge of safety. Genuine Subaru accessories are covered by Subaru's 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Accessories installed after the 336 vehicle warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule carry a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. genuine Subaru accessories can be included in monthly payments for added convenience. When a trusted Subaru certified technician installs a genuine Subaru accessory, it is installed with the same care and precision that goes into the manufacturing of the Subaru vehicle. Subaru technicians receive comprehensive training on every accessory and system in a Subaru vehicle to help ensure a seamless integration every time. Whether looking to preserve and protect, equip for any adventure, or simply increase personal style, value, safety, and security that lasts begins with genuine Subaru accessories.
You live for adventure, not just for adventurous excursions, but you lead an overall adventurous life. Whether a night out on the town or a trip through the wilderness, your Subaru Crosstrek is always up for the challenge with its perfect combination of versatility and off-road capability. Follow your spirit and add to your unique style with genuine Subaru accessories. There's always room to add to your story as you experience new roads ahead. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the vehicle. That's why genuine Subaru accessories are backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or by the original purchaser's lifetime warranty for lifestyle accessories by Thule. Come along for a ride as we explore some of the most popular accessories that are available for the Subaru Crosstrek. No matter where the journey may lead you, there are bound to be a few bumps along the way. Add to the styling of your Crosstrek doors while protecting them at the same time. The color-matched body side moldings help protect your doors from unsightly dings. Preserve and improve the appearance of the Crosstrek. Outfit it with custom-fit color-matched stainless steel door edge guards that help protect your door edges from dings and chips, all while seamlessly blending into the door design. When you're headed for unfamiliar territory, explore with the confidence that genuine Subaru splash guards will help keep your Crosstrek paint finish protected from stones and road grime. Our splash guards undergo a series of durability tests to withstand weather and driving conditions, and are engineered to reduce wind noise and aerodynamic drag. The accessory comes as a set of 4. Roll down your windows. Let the fresh air in, without worrying about inclement weather getting in too. Genuine Subaru side window deflectors are extensively evaluated for water intrusion and tested to help reduce wind noise and vibration. Protect the back of your Crosstrek from sand, water, stains, dirt, and other messes when you pack up cargo to pursue a new experience. The cargo tray provides a surface that helps reduce shifting of cargo while driving. Plus, this popular accessory can be easily removed and rinsed clean. The Subaru Crosstrek has plenty of cargo space, but there are times when you'll need to lower the seats to transport larger cargo. The rear seat back protector adds protection to the rear seat backs, and when used with a cargo tray, provides optimal protection to the back of your vehicle. Keep your cargo safe and secure with a genuine Subaru cargo cover. This fully retractable maximum coverage cargo cover keeps items in the back out of sight. Precision engineered to ensure an exact fit, custom-fitted high-wall design all-weather floor liners help protect the vehicle carpet from accidental spills and dirt to snow, sand, and mud. Genuine Subaru liners withstand a series of functional and durability evaluations to not only offer protection, but also help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. This very popular accessory darkens automatically and protects your eyes from unwanted glare when driving. The auto-dimming mirror with compass and HomeLink also integrates 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. It also lets you know if a garage door has been left open or closed if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. With the integrated 8-point digital compass, you can be sure you're headed in the right direction wherever the road may lead you. Enhance the auto-dimming mirror experience with the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. Upon approaching the vehicle or unlocking your doors with a keyless entry system, LED lights located behind the Subaru logo in each exterior mirror illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. During nighttime driving, the exterior auto-dimming mirrors will reduce headlight glare by dimming in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror, creating a safer driving experience. Improve visibility inside your Crosstrek with brighter, wider, and crisper lighting. This genuine Subaru accessory is developed and tested to vigorous Subaru standards for seamless operation, uninterrupted functionality, and to help ensure the safety of your vehicle's electrical infrastructure. Warm up or cool down your vehicle before you even get in with the remote engine starter. This convenient accessory allows the vehicle to be started from up to 400 feet away simply by pushing a button. That way, the climate control system has time to make the interior more comfortable before entry. Any trip is more enjoyable when you can listen to your favorite soundtrack. Enhance your audio system to a new level of sound quality, so you not only hear the music, you feel it. The Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade consists of an amplifier, upgraded speakers, and an integrated digital signal processor tuned to align the system to the listener's preference. Some of your adventures may require a little more cargo space. Increase the cargo carrying capabilities of your Crosstrek by adding the Crossbar set. Choose from Aero or Aero Extended, depending on your preference of style or function. Genuine Subaru Crossbar sets support the use of Subaru roof attachments and carriers. Set your sights on adventure and gear up without fear of leaving any of it behind with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule. Subaru engineers work in close collaboration with the Thule Group during the design and development of all Thule racks and carriers to help ensure they comply with Subaru requirements, offer a precise fit, and increase durability. From the genuine Subaru Cargo Carrier Extended and Heavy-Duty Roof Cargo Basket that offer additional rooftop storage capacity, to carriers specifically designed to transport your kayak and paddleboard for on-the-water adventures, to the ski and snowboard carrier for those times when the slopes are calling, and a variety of bike carriers, fork-mounted, roof-mounted, hitch-mounted, or hitch platform for those times when you want to get out there on two wheels. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule allow you to load up and make sure you have everything for your travels. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch is rated at 200 pounds tongue weight, with towing capacity of up to 1,500 pounds. Unlike typical aftermarket hitches, the genuine Subaru trailer hitch is engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your Crosstrek and crash tested as a complete system to maximize safety and weather tested for lasting durability. Thank you for taking the time to explore just some of the many genuine Subaru accessories available to enhance the Subaru Crosstrek. From products that increase comfort and convenience, to rugged accessories designed to haul gear wherever you want to go, defy the simple life and make the most of every adventure. Love is out there. Find it with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.